you see what the screen here, like this. Mall.
Mall.
You will have few seconds to pronounce this.
Mall.
Repeat each word after the speak and try to go through as many words as possible. Remember, this is the most important part of the whole lesson. Let's start with the at the beginning of the word. Mark.
Mark.
Mask.
Mask.
Math.
Math.
Meal.
Meal.
Meat.
Meat.
Mess.
Miss.
Mix.
Mix.
Mood.
Mood.
Mop.
Mop.
More.
More.
Move.
Move.
Much.
Much.
Mug.
Mug.
Must.
Must.
Let's push for 15 words that sound following a vowel. It's next to a vowel. Remember how to pronounce such that next the vowel. Let's continue practice. Aim.
Aim.
Blum.
Blum.
Climb.
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 Comb.
Comb.
Crime.
Crime.
Dime.
Dime.
Flame.
Flame.
Frame.
Frame.
Hum.
Hum.
Prime.
Prime.
Rhyme.
Rhyme.
Same.
Same.
Shame.
Shame.
Time.
Time.
Good job so far. The next word are, don't confuse the with other nasal sound you will get. Let's get back to the practice. Beam.
Beam.
Bum.
Bum.
Came.
Came.
Dump.
Dump.
Foam.
Foam.
Game.
Game.
Gum.
Gum.
Ham.
Ham.
Hum.
Hum.
Lame.
Lame.
Lime.
Lime.
Scream.
Scream.
Seam.
Seam.
Skim.
Skim.
Slam.
Slam.
Some.
Some.
Swim.
Swim.
Turn.
Turn.
Congratulations. Good job.